Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to sign out of Remitly application. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, tap open your Remitly application from your app drawer. Once you're inside the main home page, you will now need to tap on Manage at the bottom right corner. This will then take you to this interface from where you will need to scroll all the way down and tap on Sign Out. But remember that you will need to enter your email and password associated with your Remitly account every time you want to log in back to your account. So make sure you know your credentials before logging out of it. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.